Hey, it's Thinker here. Today, I'll be cooking a New York strip steak in a cast iron skillet. So let's get to it. We have our choice grade New York strips from Costco for $49. Ribeyes are my favorite cut, but wanted to switch it up and went with New York strips this time. First, I seasoned the steak with my mix of salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder. Again, this is another thick piece of meat, so be sure to season all sides. It was a bit late in the evening and I didn't have much time to fire up the grill, so I took out my cast iron skillet instead. Cooking in a cast iron skillet won't give you the flavor from the grill, but you can easily get that nice crust on the outside and you can finish the cook in less than 10 minutes. A quick side note, I used unsalted butter, dried thyme leaves, and crushed garlic for my butter baste. Go ahead and preheat the skillet with generous amount of olive oil until you see the smoke. Throw on your steak and start searing. I seared about 2 minutes on each side, a total of 4 minutes before starting the butter baste. Go ahead and throw in butter, garlic, and dried thyme leaves into the skillet and start basting. With the help of thermometer, my target temperature is 120 degrees. Continue to baste until you hit the temperature 120. At 120, the steak comes off the skillet to rest for about 10 minutes. During the rest, the internal temperature will continue to rise to be perfect medium rare at 130. Now the steak is ready. You can see the dark crust, almost burnt looking, but inside is a perfect medium rare. Biting into the crispy crust and the juicy flavor from the garlic thyme baste is well worth the compromise from cooking on the grill. So which do you prefer to cook your steak, cast iron or charcoal? Please let me know how you cook your steak in the comment section. If you'd like to see more cooking videos like this, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out my Instagram handle at MeatThinker. Thank you for watching and keep me thinking.